auto?
Say again?
In here, is this full auto or single shot?
This is fine, shoot for it, full auto. Everyone can collect.
Nice, yeah.
Yeah, it's gone.
Oh, watch straight down, watch straight down.
Yeah, watch the corridor on the door on the end of the left. Oh, right hand one doesn't
Jesus, Spud. Careful. Okay, go on. Blue.
Upstairs, right in here. Just in here.
Okay, we're going to push up here.
Check. That's it.
1, 2, 3.
Come on, guys, don't stand around like a fart.
Well, hang on, we're just medicing this guy.
Have we got people going this way? That's it, go. Okay, that's not it.
You know it's ricochet, there's no way to get there.
Do you need a medic or you...
That's it, like. And that's me out of the game. Then.
Well done, guys, well done. Have you had both your medics?
Yeah, I have. The players. What?
In there?
Marshall, can we move that gun before we move it? Right? Now, gun, can we move that white support gun so we don't throw up?
Guys, there's another dead dog. Guys, there's another dead dog.
Medic! Not medic, sorry, back down. I can see them hitting you, come on!
Got him?
Where? Medic, medic.
You guys ready? Are you medicing?
We might have friendlies in there as well, guys, because we had to sign it. She signed it, doesn't know where I think. Make sure you colour change, colour change.
Clear. Clear. Dead end. Clear. Come on. I've got a wee shield.
This is a shield like that. Were you on the support line?
Guys, you've got to remove that. Put it back on there, mate. You can't do that.
Can't do what?
Put it on the floor like that. You set it in the wrong place. It's ineffective. They were told in the floor there, you set it at floor level, you can't be moving their decks about, mate.
You guys ready?
Oh, water ready. Where are they?
Yo, they're going to blow it.
They're best not, it's in his hand.
Right. Guys ready?
Careful. It was there. Where are they?
Are you guys ready?
Let's go, guys. Move the building.
Watch your legs in that one, you know what's going. Well, guys, the readiness running, guys, the readiness.
Guys, there's a red here, right round the corner. Just here by the stairs. Just...
1, 2, 3, 8, 10.
Guys, you just need a grenade in here, guys. I haven't got one. Grenade, guys.
Tony, you're going to play shields as hard cover, but he's probably going to
No, shields are not hard cover. That was explained during the briefing.
Thank you.
Okay.
Keep up there, keep up.
Where's my shield?
Hey, show.
Like I did got caught.
Sorry.
That's okay, the only thing you can do there is
Like I did
You
got
can stay ahead a bit further.
clear out of the way here. There's too many of you.
Push up, push up, push up.
Two of them here.
This one.
Are you sure, guys?
Yeah. I'm going to cut slowly there, cut back. Medic?
Here.
Guys, come on, we've been in this corner.
That's fine. Everyone's got bang.
5, 6. Guys, come on, we've been in this corner. Get over here, mate.
Which one? Which one?
Left side. What's the door there?
Can you see him?
Yeah.
Door low, door low. Push up. Push up. Let's go, guys, where we go now? I'll check them room. Oh, shit.
Right hand rim hasn't
He's right here.
rim in front hasn't been cleared either.
Push up, guys. Need a grenade. He's just there. Just chuck it around. Dead.
That's the only brains I've got, that's it.
Right, got a guy at the end.
One of you pop around the corner.
Right, that roof's clear. You ready?
Just keep it low, just keep it low. I can't see very well with this. Oh, hey, ready?
1, 2, 4, 5, 6.
Anyone got a grenade?
No.
Grenade!
I haven't got one anymore.
We need a grenade up here, guys.
Oh, yes, now. We've got plenty for the end. Plenty for the end. Dead. Nice one. It's all clear up here. Clear.
Oh.
Clear. That roof's clear. It's the same as this one.
Yeah, Roger, I've got about 20 blues just approaching catwalk over.
Walkway.
Guys, ready? Guys, do you want to go first?
Yeah,
shield,
Guys, mate, do you want to go first? You ready?
Yeah, go.
Go in, shielder.
No.
What's your right, what's your right?
Your left. What's the left and right?
Go to the left.
Ready?
Yeah, gone.
Someone needs to check.
Right.
Oh, he got him. He's dead. He's walking out. Well, I can't cover the left and right.
So there's still some in there.
Yeah, but there could be someone on the left. If I turn my shield right, I could get shot in the back.
Right, don't worry about left, okay?
Left's clear enough.
No, we've got one far from this building here.
Well, I'm going to turn right, but he's...
No. 2, 3, 4, 5,
Can anyone chuck a grenade in there?
No, we don't get them.
9, 10.
Anyone got a grenade?
Yeah, I do. Okay.
Yeah, you won't get it where they get hit.
One down. There's one more right here.
How far?
Listen.
Got a big shield. You ain't going to get grenade up, Bob. Yeah.
Right, I'm going to move into this room. You guys ready?
One low in the right, one low in the left as well.
Yeah, I'm going to move in. You guys ready?
Say lower there. Lower there.
Right, he's nadeable now. Anyone nade him? Anyone got a grenade? He's nadeable. Ready? Oh, you bastard. He's dead, he's dead.
Straight down, straight down, straight down.
Now moving up. Hit!
Good shot. Medics, anyone? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Medic, medic.
Pull someone down. Come on.
3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Defense, what is medicine? Defense, what is medicine? Clear these rooms, guys, clear these rooms!
Guys, in that room. Watch the corridor on the left behind you.
Yeah, that door's shut.
What was it?
Clear that room, is the toilet clear?
Willie, little Jay's got your bag.
What's happening down there? Surf, just fucked off. They got scared.
Little Jay's got one of your bangs, I
Who's
think.
that? Is that red? Blue. Okay, we got blue on our left, blue on our left.
One of your bangs.
Right, watch out, Danny. Watch that door on your left. On your right, sorry. Watch that door on your right. Blue, that's blue there. Yeah. Fire grenade in it. There's no need to clear all the rooms.
No, just need to get into the ops room, that's all we need to do.
Yeah, I know. But it just means we can get through, so you can get to both sides. We can get both of them.
Yeah, there is that. There you go.
Willie Walker.
Is that one of ours?
Blue!
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 Blue here!
Blue, good shot. Johnny bangs down that line.
Yeah.
Yeah. We need bangs, careful on your right, they haven't cleared that room on your right.
Room clear.
Blue! 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 You're firing on blue!
No, he's not.
He's blue!
I missed that time, okay?
Ready?
Blue! We're blue!
We're blue. Blue.
Ah! What the fuck?
Guys, blue down here.
Dead! Medic!
Blue.
That hurt, didn't it?
Blue.
You're firing on blue! Fucking hell!
How many fucking times you need to shout blue?
There's a red in there! There's a red in there! For fuck's sake!
Medic.
Oh, bloody hell, they got two of you. Tell me about Laurie, definitely.
You're doing well in there.
Oh, it's winding up. You're shooting each other. Blue, you're blue. You're still firing on blue. You turned into land. Oh, fucking hell. Stop firing at each other.
Well, I've just got to get the ops room, yeah?
We don't have to clear this. We just need to get the ops room.
It's easier to kill.
Guys, yeah, we don't need to do this.
We don't need to clear, we just need to find the button.
It's in there.
Right, okay.
Christ, you haven't broken his fucking sight.
Guys, I haven't seen a blue impact. Well, loads of bangs at the same time.
Someone picked up.
Oh, yeah, Matt. Done it.
Dad!
Where are we looking? Well, that's sniper in the corner. Have you mate? I got tripped up here with a bang. Done, you in the ops room, yeah? Why don't we all just storm it at the same time? Then you get all of us.
Emil, fire truck downstairs. And Matt, what's shot fire well You got shot fire well
Just storm the fucking thing.
It's going, guys.
Guys, we're all going to go in.
Guys, we're just going to go in.
Get ready.
On 3.
How good?
Guys, let's get a load of bangs ready.
That's a lot of people. No strokes, not that There in the corner. Right hand corner. Guys, why don't we go around your side? Who's got bangs? No, your bangs still in the side. No, because there's other people doing the other side as well.
I've got no bangs. I've got no bangs.
Throw in there then.
Try to put a bang in there.
Because they're all down this bit.
He is, he's right. He's the right side.
Who else has got a bang? Who else has got a bang?
Yeah.
Right, get some fun.
I've got no bangs.
One there, and then we're just going.
One right, one left.
We're all dead.
We're all dead.
We're all fucking dead.
Dead.